Today we're gonna basically be analyzing this data set that I showed you guys, or this is like the raw version, but if I enable preview, you're gonna be able to see like this is what we're working with. So there's a bunch of different like undergraduate majors, and then there's also like what group they're in, and like basically we're looking at their salaries. So we want to see basically what job or like what major is going to give you like the highest pay, and that's like our main job in this program. I know last time like we used like a bunch of like visualization and stuff. I felt like that was a little like too ambitious, so I'm gonna tone it back a little, and we're gonna focus on like one specific library, which is the pandas library. So we're just gonna basically be using those functions, and then we're gonna try to answer these questions. So to first upload and then like read the CSV file, make sure the CSV file is in the same like folder as like your notebook. So what you want to do is first, I named it like just like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna first import pandas as PD like always. So that's always the first step, to import like your libraries. And then to read in the data set, we're just gonna read in like that. And then the name of our data set is salaries by college major. So we're gonna basically just input that in, college major. And then we wanna see the first 5 rows is we can just do df.head, and it's gonna show the first 5, okay? And then after that, we're gonna, wait, let me actually add like, some details. So wait, let me close this one. So this first part is uploading and reading data, okay? And then the next part is we're gonna start cleaning the data, because we wanna make sure like the data that we're using is like present, like everything that we have there isn't like not a number, or like there isn't anything missing, okay? So first, we're gonna, wait. Oh, yeah, Ansh, you wanna ask the question?
Wait, so how do you import the file because I opened the file that you put on Discord. It's coming as an Excel sheet on my computer. So
Oh, is it?
yeah.
Huh, that's interesting. Let me try to upload a new one, okay? Okay, give me a second. Wait, that's so weird. Okay. Give me a second. Downloads. Okay. Let me, okay. Let me put this. This should be like the same thing though. Does anyone else know if it's like working for you guys, or yeah. But yeah, that should work.
Wait, it's still an Excel sheet.
Is it?
How do you put it on?
Or you can just like, because it's a CSV file, right? So you can just put it into the like, let me show you. I'll share my screen. Okay. So let me see, screen 1. Okay, so like if you like download it from, oh, that went to the other screen. So once you download it from here, you can like just drag it over, right? Like just drag it in here.
Okay, so
You just drag the CSV file into like over there, like.
But that doesn't make sense. But you can't.
You just drag it.
Excel sheet. So, like, you would probably like. Do you know how to import stuff on Visual Studio Code?
Import stuff like this?
Do you know how to import files?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is how we're reading it. We're using the pandas library. It's gonna read it. It doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, as long as it's a CSV file, you're gonna be able to read it. Like, yeah. I mean, is it not working for you?
Okay. Yeah, it's not working. Like if I open Visual Studio Code, let's say I open up a new one. Actually, no. Okay, hold on. Sorry. Okay.
Does anyone else know if this is working for them? Or
yeah.
is it? Okay. I'm just
It's not working for me.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't know how to import it.
You don't know how to import it. Okay. Like you don't know how to put it into this folder here?
No.
Okay, wait, let me wait. So you downloaded this, right? And then it should be here. And then let me see. We'll see. So
Okay.
this is
Yeah. Okay. So
wait, what? It works for me.
it's open. So like, okay, so you don't use the Excel. Okay. Wait. So okay, yeah,
that's weird.
weird.
I think you can do
Yeah, because like I don't know how you're supposed to follow.
I think you can read it in as an Excel. So the Excel, the extension should be what Excel SX, right? So
Wait,
then
so
you can read it as an Excel like that.
okay, I got it.
You can read it like that.
Okay, I got it.
You got it. So yeah, just put it as a .xl.
Wait, so I just okay, so now it's just giving me like the entire thing. So now what do I do with it?
What do you mean the entire thing? Like
it just gave me a CSV file,
like
right?
you got like this?
Yeah, I got that.
You got this, right? Okay. Yeah, that's it's like the data frame's gonna make it look pretty. So like
but you have a 3 salaries by college, but I only have one, like in the
here?
left side. No, in the open.
What do you mean? Or
in the left side you have like 3 green things.
3. Oh, yeah. No, these are all the same thing. These are all the same thing.
Okay.
I was just testing it. Yeah. Those are all the same thing.
So
okay.
wait, so how are you okay, so wait, how come you got 1-4 and like stuff like that, like on your VS Code? Like the 1-4 next to like the play button up top.
Oh, this? It doesn't matter. That's not like important.
How did you get that?
Oh, are you using a iPy notebook?
Wait, what do you mean?
So like you do data or you put like the name of your thing. So let's say I put like name and then you want to make sure the extension is IPYNB.
Oh, okay, so that's what you named the thing.
Yeah. So that's why I have like these cells and stuff. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so I'm like, that doesn't make sense because how come you're getting it well? Okay, so now you just no, I don't want updates. No, wait.
Yeah.
So you just create a new file or whatever.
Yeah. Name a new file and then extension is IPYNB. Yeah.
Okay, so you just Control Shift S this.
Yeah.
And you just what do you do with IPY or whatever you call it?
Or I'll just create a new one, okay? I'll just create a new one to show you, okay? So new one, right? And then you just type in .ipynb, okay? You got it? Like just put a new file.
Okay.
Name it that, okay? And then it's gonna start like, yeah, it's gonna set it up for you. You see that?
Oh, okay. So I get your point. Okay, I get your point now. So you just add a new one. Oh my god, how many do I have? Okay, I don't need.
Okay.
Bro, I have way too many these on. I'm just gonna keep these 2 on for now.
Yeah. Derek, I know you just joined, so what you want to do is like get the CSV file from the Discord, okay, and then drag it into here, basically.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell me if you run into any issues because I know like they were running into some. So yeah.
I had a quick question.
Yeah.
For the green thing, pulled up on the left side, the folder thing.
This thing?
How did you make it in like rows and columns so we can like visually see all the data? Like
like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an extension, like, wait, let me see. Where's my downloaded ones? But yeah, it's an extension to like make it look better. I think it's like
I got the thing.
I think it's Excel viewer. Yeah, it's called Excel viewer. So what it does is like after you download it, like you see this, it's like really ugly, and then you can open the preview, and then basically it makes it pretty. Yeah,
okay, cool.
Makes it look clean like that. Yeah. So Excel viewer, I would. What the? I just clicked that like 10 times. Yeah, I would recommend that. Okay. So after all that. Is there any more questions or everything good? All right, Gucci. So after we read it in, let me just like comment it. If it's like you said it's an Excel file, you can read it in as read Excel, and then let's just copy this. You can just, if it's an Excel, make sure that you do it like that. Okay, so XLSX as the extension, and then yeah. But if it's a CSV file, you can just read it like that. Okay. So after that, we're gonna start cleaning the data. So anything that is not a number, null, or whatever, we're just gonna delete it. So to find those things, there's a function called df.s is na. So basically, it returns any like not good numbers, basically. So if we look at this, you might be like, what the hell's going on here? But basically, if it's false, or Ansh, do you have a question?
Yeah, can you go back up for a sec? I just need to copy the
Yeah, I
code.
need to look at it too.
So yeah, so we first import the library that we're using, and then yeah, we read it. Is that good? Or
Like it's like another like 2 minutes. So let me just like copy this down. Wait, is it single quotation marks or is it double quotation marks in the parentheses in the second line?
I put single quotation. It doesn't matter. You can put double quotation
Okay.
too. Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Okay, yeah, I'm done. So.
All right, you're good.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm just gonna keep going. So here we did df is an a. So what that basically returns the like NaN value. So these are like not good. So basically, if it's false, that means that it is available. Basically, so there's something there, and if it's true, then that means like there's a problem. So all these are false, which is all good. But then once we get to the bottom, you're gonna notice these true values. And if we go back to our thing, you're gonna see that. Oh wait, what the heck? There's like this one part where it's like here, yeah, source pay scale. You'll notice like these are all null values. Like there's nothing there. So we basically don't want this row anymore. Okay. So
Wait. Hold up a sec. For some okay, so when you play, if you play the line, right? Or yeah. So if you play the second line, for some reason it doesn't work. It's just giving me an error.
which one? Are you doing
This-
header?
The fifth line for you.
Fifth line.
Like the thing that says 5 on like the left hand side.
5. Oh, here, this thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, what's the error?
Python input to F1 whatever in module, and then for some reason it doesn't work. It goes pd.read. Because I did it exactly as you did.
Read underscore CSV. Sorry, by. What's your?
Is it single quotes?
You can put single quotes.
Okay.
I don't know if it matters.
If for me it says requires IPYKERNEL to be installed.
Oh, IPy kernel. Oh, then maybe if you don't, let me see, Python. Maybe there's like an extension for this. I don't think so. Huh? IPy kernel. It should be installed with your Conda because like Conda instantly installs it because yeah.
So okay, so I put single
weird.
quotes to run this. Yeah, it's still doing Oh, okay. I did the thing wrong. Okay, so the name of the file is wrong.
Yeah, probably. Let me.
Okay, there you go. Now it should run. No, it's still giving a name error. Okay, yeah. Wait, the name PD is not defined. What do you
Oh,
mean?
did you not install it? So if you want to install it, then you have to do !pip install pandas. Okay. Make
Oh,
sure
so
if you don't have the library. Yeah.
okay, and then what do you do after that? Okay.
Yeah.
Or
It's gonna row, and then
does
since I already have it, it's gonna say requirement already there. So yeah,
if I
and just
run
import.
now, it's still giving me an error, a name error, PD for some reason.
Oh, if it's a name error, then it's probably because of the name of your CSV. Or
But
yeah,
is that though?
huh? What's on your like folder? Like
It says like the one that I've opened, right? It just says salaries by wait, requirement. It says for me, it already just says requirement already satisfied.
no,
So
no, you imported it, right?
I don't know, to be honest.
You have to import it up here.
Okay.
Import it as PD.
Yeah, that's what I did in the first one, and then the second one, it doesn't even like it doesn't show anything. Like if I play it,
Can you like like copy your code and then put it into the chat?
yeah, because okay, I can show you the error. Okay, yeah, it's a huge error. That's all I have to say.
Okay, got it.
Pretty.
Yeah, just copy it into the chat, or
Okay.
not the error, but your code.
Oh yeah, for the. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Like, yeah, I can put it in the chat. Okay. Well, let's make it everyone. Yeah, this is the exact one. So.
Test.csv. That should work. Do you have the CSV in the same folder?
Oh wait. Okay. Wait. Where do you find the CSV folder?
Or it should just be under like this one, or it should all be under like one folder. Like it should be in the same place.
It's not even like. Hold up. I'm gonna close everything up and then let me just see. Okay, so if I put
Let me delete that. I'm not using that.
okay folder.
I think you should just let him share his screen.
Yeah. I'll let you share your screen. Is there anyone else like facing this problem too? Or
Yeah, because this
I can install a pip for I don't know how to install.
no, I think it's probably installed. Because wait, you're using a Mac, right? So you probably need extensions to like separate extensions to run it. For Windows, I think everything's already downloaded with it.
no, I'm using it on Windows.
Oh, okay, then that doesn't make sense. Okay, let me create a new folder. Let me just
Actually, I think you just do here.
okay under weird. Create a new file under weird.
You can do so open up your Anaconda prompt, and then just do this.
No. Wait.
Wait, I don't know. I don't have Anaconda.
Oh, you don't?
Yeah,
Oh.
because
Oh, do you have the normal pip thing, right?
no.
Or do you have Python installed on your thing?
Yeah, I have a VS Code. And
Do you have Python installed?
yeah, I have Python.
Okay, then
Oh,
should be fine. And you said your error is the IPy kernel thing, right?
Yeah, I fixed that though. I just installed IPy kernel, but then I still don't have it says Py not defined. No, PD not.
Oh, PD not defined. Okay, so what you want to? You have pandas though, right?
oh, okay. Wait.
No, I don't have pandas.
Then okay, so what you want to do is you want to install pandas, like run this in your code, okay, and then import pandas as PD. So the name, like the library pandas, is then like becomes like PD. That's why you have that error, because you have to set it as PD. Okay, Ansh, are you gonna share your screen? Or-
Now it says pip is not recognized as an internal or external command.
Oh, you have to add Python like to path. That's why. Oh, okay, that's interesting.
Wait.
Um,
Give me a second, really quick. I'm actually trying to figure this out. I'm gonna reinstall the salaries by thing, and then I'll open it straight in VS Code.
okay. Wait, Akshay, you
So now I have it under the same thing. So wait, what do I have to rename it as?
don't have to rename it. Or you mean the Python
Yeah.
notebook?
Yeah. What is what is it? IPYNB
Yeah, .ipynb like that.
NB.
Yeah.
Okay. So wait. Let me see this real quick. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I did that, but for some reason, it isn't working.
Wait, can you just share your screen?
Yeah. Sure. Where's the share screen? Okay. Wait, screen. Okay, you just want to see. Wait, do you want to see my screen, like, or do you want to see?
It doesn't matter. Just share like whatever.
I'm just gonna sharing the screen. Okay, you can see my screen, right? I can like move it, or you can see this too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, hold up. Give me a second. I'm gonna stop share real quick. Leave. No, I don't want to leave meeting. No. Wait. Okay, this is confusing me. Let me just share this real quick. Okay, you can just see this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what am I supposed to do? So here's the thing. It's in the same.
Oh, that's weird. Why is this still a text file? What the?
So like, because I renamed it too. I can Control Shift S. Oh, okay. This is what I forgot to do.
Yeah, you should probably save it.
Okay, yes, I want to replace it. I don't care. Okay, now this better work. No, it's not working for some reason. Okay, that's weird.
It's probably because you just named it idiot.ipynb, but wait, give me a sec. Can I, or do you want to just like create a new file? Like,
Okay, I'm just gonna create a new file under weird. Okay, new file. Okay, so what do I'm just gonna,
weird.
what do I name it? Okay, remember. No, I can't spell anything. Fine. I do not. Okay, no. Hold up. I do not. Okay, yeah. No, my ABCs. Okay. There you go. Okay,
.ipynb.
IPYNB.
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh, that's weird.
I
I
think
should initialize as a.
okay.
Yeah. That means it's working.
I think I already have kernel installed for some reason, so that's one of the good things. So if I go, okay, so now I can just wait. What was the code again? Can you just tell me?
I'll just copy it for you. Okay. Here. Let me just copy it for you.
Yeah, sure. Let me just,
Run. I'm putting in the chat. Do that, and then run this in the next cell.
okay, import pandas as PD. Okay.
Just copy it.
Okay, oh yeah, that's a really good idea. Okay, import pandas as PD. So that's one of the first things. Control C. Put that there, and then do you create a new one or what?
Yeah. So to run it really quickly, you can press Shift Enter at the same time. Yeah, there you go. And then just copy the next one and then Shift Enter. Yeah.
Wait, do I just do everything? Okay.
And then run that.
Do I just click this?
Yeah, you can do that too.
Yeah, this is the reason.
Let me see. 5. Wait, go down. Let me see the last line. That's the most important one. 5 does not salaries by college major.
I made your test. Okay. This is one of the biggest problems because it saved it for some reason wrong. Okay, so if I do this real quick, this might work. So let me rerun this. What? But okay, salaries by college.
Yours has the major test 2. Do you notice that or wait?
Okay, wait, but I have one that's open. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So do I have to do that too?
Yeah, put the 2 in the end.
Oh, okay, this is really weird. That's all I have to say.
No, not there. Before the period.
Oh, before the period. Oh my god. Okay, let me just X out this period. What's it? What? Right here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, that works. Or actually, no, there should be no space in between this. Actually, no, never mind. There's no space. Okay, so now I'm just gonna run this. No.
Or there might be a space between the T and the open parentheses of the 2. Yeah.
I think it auto completes it for you. So if you just erase the name and then try to write S, then I think it auto completes it for you. It for me.
Just 2.csv. Yeah, that's literally correct. I can try single quotes. I mean, that might work. Wait, but why do you need to put .csv at the end when you already have CSV here?
Nah, it's just the thing. Wait, put a space after the T on your major test thing. Just put a space after that, because that's what it looks like you need to do.
There we go.
Okay, thank. Okay.
Where's
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Good
Yeah.
stuff.
I'm
Actually, are you still running to that error? Or
Yeah, I don't even. I'm really confused now.
is it
Can I
like?
just share the screen?
Yeah, sure. I'll help you out with that. Oof.
Yeah, this is. pretty-
Don't worry about it. Once you do it like once, you'll be able to do it like you'll be able to replicate it. So don't worry about it.
This
Okay.
is really hardest
You
part.
want to do import pandas as PD, okay? Oh, you don't have.
Oh, okay.
What? You should have. Wait, let me see. Okay. Can you open up like your command prompt and then just do pip install pandas? Or it's
Wait.
right there. Yeah, your terminal. Like,
Wait.
put that in your terminal. Pip install pandas, like right in your
Wait.
terminal.
Wait, what's the terminal?
It's this thing right here.
I can.
I drew it on your screen.
Wait, no, I can't see anything on the screen.
Wait, what?
Okay, wait. Just look. Just go all the way to the bottom. You know how it says terminal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see. Oh, terminal, yeah, and then.
Yeah, and
Oh,
then
it
just
already
type
did.
in pip install. Pip install.
With exclamation mark first.
No, you don't. No, not over there. Yeah, pip install pandas. Yeah.
Okay, and then
Press enter.
enter.
Huh. Wait. You haven't added this to Pat, I think. Oof. That's gonna take a little while. Huh. That's weird. Wait. Then you're installed. Okay. Yeah. So what this means is you haven't added it to like the path, and path is referring to like the environment and variables. Actually, so what I would recommend is like just stick around after I finish like everything, and then I'll help you out. Okay? Because that one takes a little.
But
Like-
I have a class at a 4.
Oh.
So yeah, that's a. I don't know.
Can I help you out like later on? Because I know like
Yeah.
everyone else like kind of has their things already. So
Yeah,
like,
okay,
I
sure.
kind of want to just like message me and I'll help you out. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So just message me. I'll help you out, and I want to make sure like to keep it going. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks. So I'm gonna share my screen now. Okay, let's go. So now everyone is over here, right? So we finished it, we read it in, and then basically to see if there's anything that's like bad or like unusable, we did is NA, and if it is like bad, then it's gonna say true, right? So these are all false, which means there's something there, which makes sense because there's stuff over here, right? And then except for the very end, and we identified it over here, you see it, there's some null values. So we want to make sure to drop those, right? So to drop those, we can create a new data frame. We're going to call it the clean one because it's clean because we dropped it, right?
Wait,
so,
I have a question. Wait, can you go back to the code for the so how you okay.
is NA, and then that. And then that's how you start seeing like, you see all these are false, which means they're good. And then you see these true. That's like bad. So yeah, if we want to drop that, we can do drop NA. You see that? And to make sure it's gone, we can check the tail. Like you see number 50, it's like gone, right? Which means that it worked.
I did df isNA for the isNA, and it's getting me something way less, like something way different. Yeah, it's pretty like it's a pretty big list. I can share my it's not coming out. Oh, okay, never mind. This is what I did wrong.
Did you put it as a function?
I forgot to put the parentheses at the end. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
So yeah, these are all functions. Okay. So yeah, after you do that, you're gonna check that, and then you can drop the bad row right here. And after you drop it, you're gonna be able to check the tail, and you're gonna see like it's gone. Okay. So our first job is we're gonna check the college major with the highest starting salary. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that. So we're gonna find the college major with the highest starting salary. So what does that mean? So what that means is we have to find the maximum for this column, right? We have to find the college major that has the highest number in this column, because that's the starting median salary. So to do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our clean one, right? And then we're gonna find this column. So we're gonna index to this column. Let me actually zoom it in so you guys can see. So we're gonna take in this column, and then we're basically gonna use the function max. So using dot max is gonna print out the highest salary, okay? And after we find the highest salary, which is 74,000, that's not like much use because we don't know what we don't know what major gives this salary, right? We just know this is the highest salary. So to find the major corresponding to this, we have to use something called another function, and that's called IDX max. So what that means is, what it does is it returns the row with the highest salary, basically. Okay. So this is going to give us an index. So you're going to notice it says 43. So what that means is the 43rd row is going to have the major with the highest salary. So to find that, all we have to do is we go to the undergraduate major, and then we find the 43rd one. And that's going to be corresponding to the college major with the highest starting salary. So to do that, we do clean underscore df, and then we're going to do the undergraduate major, right? And then we're going to locate the 43rd one. And boom, it says physician. How do you even pronounce that? Physician assistant. Okay. And
Wait,
then
the code for a second. I just need to copy it down.
oh yeah, sure. Let me drink some water. So yeah, just quick review, I guess. We can find the max and then find the row corresponding to it, and then that's going to give us the major. So to make this faster, so that like, let's say you don't want to manually put this 43 in, you can actually combine these two lines. So this is going to give you an integer, right? This is going to give you this integer, which in this case was 43. But you can basically put that inside of these brackets, and it's going to index it for you anyways. And you see that it works like just the same. So that's like a shortcut, I guess. And
Wait, for some reason, the clean underscore df isn't working for me.
did you define clean df like this? Do this?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, make sure to define it as df.drop na. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that was my problem. Okay. I'm like,
So
wait, this is not working.
yeah. So wait, let me make this like bigger. Okay. There we go. So after we do that, what we want to do is how about
I had a question.
Yeah, sure.
The dot LOC, what does that mean after
LOC.
the undergrad?
So what LOC does is it looks for the row. It basically traverses it by row. So it looks for which row it is in, basically. Like, pretty sure you can do it without it too. Yeah, you don't need the LOC. Like, but what it does is it locates it by the row. Yeah, it goes down that list.
All right, thanks.
Wait, what's the code again for the the clean df? To define clean underscore df.
Yes. Wait, let me open the chat. Okay, here. So it's clean df equal. Oh, give me a second. Clean df equals df.drop na. Okay, just like that.
That works.
Yeah. So after you define it, yeah, just follow these steps. I'll put it into the chat too. That makes it easier. Here we go. And then after that, you find the index, and then you locate it.
Wait, for some reason when I still run it, it doesn't come out.
Oh, for which one? This line or
For the ID max.
IDX max?
Yeah, or IDX. Oh, okay, that might have no.
So IDX stands for index, basically. Which
Okay, I
yeah.
got it. Yeah. Yeah, I forgot to click. I forgot to add an X.
Yeah. So after you do all that, yeah, you can just like copy that over to here and make sure this says undergraduate major because yeah, that's what we're going to be looking at basically. Okay. And let me just copy the next question over real quick. So our next question is, oh, what the, that's looking ugly. So like what college major has the highest mid-career salary and how much do graduates with this major earn? Okay. So what we have to look at is this column now, mid-career median salary. Okay. So to find that, we basically do the same thing, right? It's the same thing. It's just a different column name. The first one was about the highest starting salaries, and now it's the highest mid-career salary. But the logic behind it is the same. We're going to look through the column, and then we're going to find the maximum. It's just a different name for the column, right? So to do that, all we have to do is have the same thing. And then instead of that, we can just replace it with that, right? And it's basically the same code. Okay, so we can do, we can do that. And then boom, we have the highest salary. And then we can just do the same thing over here, right? We can take our code from before. So yeah, once you guys do this like once, you're going to be able to reproduce this multiple times, which is like really cool. So yeah, you can basically do the same thing, except switch starting median salary with mid-career. And then you're going to see the highest mid-career is chemical engineering. And yeah. Does this part make sense? Or I can actually, I'll copy it over to the chat too. But yeah, that part is for or mid-career plus major. Okay. And then after that, let's look at which college major has the lowest starting salary. Okay. And instead of basically with this question, instead of the max, we're going to look at the min now. Right. But yeah, that's basically, it's basically the same thing, but now we're going to look at the min. And to do that, instead of putting max, we're going to put min over here. Okay. And then 34K. Yeah, I wonder how people actually live with like 34K. I don't think that's possible for a year. But yeah, you're going to put min over here also. And then let's do this. Take this over here. And then it's the same thing. Now we can just take min. And then, yeah, you're going to see Spanish majors make the least amount of money. So I guess you shouldn't be a Spanish major. Okay, so after that, wait, are you guys following along or is this like too fast?
It's a bit too fast. Can you slow down a bit?
Are you over here?
No, yeah, I'm there. Like, and then after that, it's just I kind of got like lost.
Okay, so this is to find the max of the mid-career median salary, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is to find the max. So instead of finding the max, we can just find the min. That's the only difference, right? Because this is the lowest starting salary. Before we were trying to find the highest, right?
Do the same thing except you just switch that out to min.
Yeah, basically.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. So it's basically the same thing, but now we're looking at the min. And yeah. Yeah. And let me see the next one, or I'll give you like a couple seconds, I guess. Look at the next question we're gonna do is the lowest risk majors. And wait, let me. So this is defined as, oops. Basically, a low risk major is a major that doesn't have like a big difference between the 10th percentile and the 90th percentile of earnings. So what that means is like what you start with is probably what you're gonna end with, or like there's not like a huge difference from like you starting off in that like company or something, and then like 10 years later what you're gonna end up with, because the 90th percentile and the 10th percentile is like pretty similar. So an example of this, I guess, could be like, I don't know, working at like a fast food restaurant. Like what you start off with probably is not gonna, like, let's say your first job is like flipping burgers or something, and then at the end of it, like you're, I don't know, a manager of people flipping burgers. I don't think this is gonna be like a huge difference, or I guess it could, but yeah, the lowest risk major is gonna have the smallest difference in the lowest and highest salary. So with this one, we're gonna have to basically calculate the difference between the highest and lowest. So the job we have to do is we have to find difference between 90th and 10th percentile, right? And then we have to find the minimum in this and the corresponding major, right? So to be able to find this difference, we can just name like a new variable. Let's call it the spread column, right? So that, and then we have to subtract the 90th and the 10th. So let's define clean data frame, and then the 90th percentile, we can find it over here. So mid-career 90th percentile, right? So we're gonna take that, we're gonna put it here, and then we can subtract the 10th percentile, right? Take the 10th percentile, and then we subtract that. And then let's print out that to see what it is. And then you're gonna see, basically we subtracted the top end salary with the starting one, or yeah. So then after that, but the problem with this is just one list, right? But then let's say we want to insert it into our data frame, right? Because we're at the end of the day, we're working with a data frame and not just like this like list right here. So to insert it, we use the insert command, okay? And then one stands for column one, okay? You're gonna see what I mean by that. So we're gonna name it spread, and then we're gonna input this list into there. And then let's look at what it looks like once we do that. So you're gonna notice that one means column one, right? And this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we insert it over here, we named it spread, and then we put as the column name, or the column like list, we put spread underscore column. Okay. Does this part make sense? Okay. After this, okay. So after this, we have the spread column inside of here. And now our job is to basically look for the one that has the lowest spread, right? Because we want the lowest risk. And to do that, all we have to do is we just have to sort it. So we have to sort it and find the spread that's like the smallest. So to do that, we're gonna do clean df, and then we're gonna sort the values. And we're gonna sort it by the spread, and then we're gonna put ascending equals true. So it's gonna start from the lowest one, and it's gonna keep ascending up as the columns get larger. So after we do that, you'll notice how here the lowest spread is about 50K, and then the nursing undergraduate major has the lowest risk, right? So your lowest risk major is nursing. Yeah, because yeah, following this like formula basically. And now if we look at the majors with the highest potential, so majors with the highest potential. So what this means is, let's say you start off at a 10th percentile salary, like what's the likelihood that you're gonna like make a lot of money, right, at your 90th percentile? So we're basically measuring the same spread, but now we want the highest spread because we want to start off low and then like the potential is really high. So we want to shoot up to like a very high salary. But at the end of the day, like it's the same kind of idea, except now we just put this as false. And you're gonna notice like the highest spread is the economics major, right? And yeah, so there you go. That's the major with the highest potential is economics. And then this one is nursing, okay? And then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna find, let's say we're looking at the groups, right? So we have all these different groups. We have STEM, business, and HASS, which stands for like humanities, arts, and social sciences. So let's say we want to find which group has the highest like average salary. And to do that, what happens is we just basically take like the salary and then we add up each of them and then divide it by the group. Okay, so we basically have to group these salaries by the group name. So either business, STEM, or HASS. Okay, so this is our question. Let me just put that here. Which category of degrees has the highest average salary? Is it STEM, business, or HASS? So first we have to group it by the group name, right? So we're going to take our same clean data frame and then we're going to group it by the group and then we're going to take the mean of it. Okay, so what mean basically means is like we're going to take the average of all of that. So let's just print that out just to see what that looks like. So we took the average of like all these different salaries based on the group and we grouped it by business, HASS, and then STEM. And then you have all these indicators and it's pretty obvious like you're gonna make the most money if you're doing STEM, because I mean, yeah, that was just like common sense. But yeah, after you group it, you can find that. And yeah, that's basically it for, I think, like this iPad notebook. And yeah, do you guys have any questions or anything? Okay, does this all like make sense? Because if I went kind of fast, I would want to like explain some of this stuff. Okay, that sounds good. I'll leave the answer in the Discord server. So I'm gonna take the answer and then we'll put it in. So let's say you want to look at this in the future, you can look at the code. Okay. And yeah, I think I might do like one more of these data analysis like projects. And then after